welcome aboard. Okay, they'll collect us on board. Okay. One-horse open sleigh, dashing through the snow. On a one-horse open sleigh, over the fields we go, laughing all the way. Goes on bobtails ring, making spirits rise.
Would you like to see some?
Hi guys. You know what you want for Christmas? What would you like for Christmas? Harry and James. Yeah, I know Harry. You've really grown since last year. Hi James, how you doing, bud? Yeah. How you been? Been a good boy? Yeah. Okay. Well, then you just send me a letter, okay? No, thank you.
Oh, you can write Santa a letter.
Oh yeah. What's in your pajamas?
Alright.
Okay, now proves that you can show your friends that this morning you went on a round trip back to the North Pole.
Well, wait,
Isn't that cool?
when Santa was here.
With Santa. Now,
I love
how was Santa? Wasn't it cool?
I love Santa.
I love Santa too. Here you go. That's for you.
Harry, that's yours.